earlier, this chick was just on her rollerblades with her little hockey stick, and it was impressive. Like, she was just spinning around that puck and slapping it around. It was impressive. But today, the sun just poked out through the clouds. I'm all like tighted up. Ooh, the gate's open. The gate's open. We can drive in. Gonna go ride up Corral with my buddy from First Tracks Productions and hopefully his dog Emmy, because it's been raining and that should have helped out our trails a little bit. And I'm taking you along for the ride so you can see one of the most popular rides in South Lake Tahoe, which you can shuttle up to the top when the gates are open. We all ride it when the gates are closed, because when the gates get open, it gets really busy. But anyway, and you can e-bike the lower section, according to the National Forest Service, because motors are allowed on the lower section, not on the top section. So, play by the rules. And I will see you on the bike. Documenting on the chest strap, testing the GoPro 7 with the Piper Smooth, because I can't afford the GoPro 8. We should get a GoPro. Do you have a GoPro 8?
Duncan gave me one at the end of this season.
We're gonna have to run those side by side, see what they look like. All right, up the road, here we go. So we're pedaling up Corral, and I think it's really funny because I can still remember the first time I pedaled up this. And it was right when I had first moved to Tahoe and Specialized was doing like their demo day. And so I got like a Specialized Enduro. It was right when they had like the 26 size rim and the 29 size rim. And they didn't even have a 275 style. And I remember pedaling up this, and eventually we're gonna get up here to the halfway point, and I was done. Like, this was back in like probably 2012, and you can see us kind of pedaling up. My buddy and I are going at about a pace where you get about to the halfway point in about 20 minutes. And for us, that's like talking to one another, just a nice steady pace all the way up to the mid-level. And like I said before, you can drop from there, and they actually allow dirt bikes, e-bikes, everything on this lower section. There's also a little parking lot up there, which you're gonna see. This right here is a little bit of a downhill section on the pavement, then you cross that creek, and then it's a short little pedal right here till you get up to the halfway point, which is right past that cattle guard. Here we are. So going up through that second gate right there, this section starts off really easy. Just a nice little mellow pedal, but then when you get around this corner, I always call it the rock to the rock, it gets super steep, and a lot of times I'll just stand up and pedal it. We're gonna pass some guys on this that are walking their bikes, and as we do that, I just kind of want to talk about pedaling up these trails and not the road. I really don't recommend doing that. This is the rock to rock, and you can see us passing some people. I really don't recommend pedaling up these trails because there is a road. A lot of people pedal up this road. Some people even car shuttle this when those Forest Service gates are open. So unless it's super early in the morning, don't pedal up these trails. We passed the turn that takes you onto the connector trail, and we keep going and kind of drop down to the little bridge, which takes us to the Armstrong Trail. This is just a fun place to hang out, chill, and have your water bottle. All right, come up here to, I don't know what creek this is. Wash the water bottle off. Cool place to pee and have a water break. All right.
So you think you're gonna start driving again like Memorial Day weekend? Are you gonna give it a shot, or is it just not worth it, do you think, yet?
I mean, I've been doing deliveries.
Oh, you have? Like DoorDash?
Yeah.
Has that been like worth it?
It was good when everyone was sheltering in place.
Yeah.
And then it got really bad again.
Gotcha. But I think, I could swear, like I felt like last weekend there was actually a good amount of people in town.
Yeah, no, there's gonna be more people. But there aren't any rides without the casinos being open, really.
Oh, right.
So, I don't know, we'll see.
I saw one of the big casinos in Vegas started taking reservations for June 1st.
Oh, good.
They're planning to open June 1st, a Monday.
Yeah.
And they like kind of ease into it.
Yeah.
But like, that was pretty promising to see.
Yeah. Oh, getting the snowballs.
Well, we didn't get out much earlier.
No, yeah. It's been cold too. Fun little pedally top section. Snowflowers. I've given up on this thing now. It's way too torn up.
Yeah, it's got a big old chunk.
Especially when it's wet.
Yeah, I never did it before. I'm not doing it now.
Oh, this is all wet.
It's weird, I have a few that I don't mind. Like, I'll do the 2 on Tahoe Mountain.
Yeah.
I'll do the 2 on Lower Cold Creek.
Okay.
Not the bigger one by the bridge. And then I'll do the one that's like a multi-stage one off a power line, like where like that little sub-trail comes in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But then I get nervous about like a bunch of other ones. I have a very weird thing with ones that I try and ones that I like. And they make no sense. Holy damn.
Sloppy. Probably isn't the best tour of it, but whatever. Yeah, it looks like this. British Columbia. All the time. It's never dusty. Oh look, this one's got snow on it. You should do this one.
That's one I feel not cut.
Ow. We're gonna get into the fast section. Get it, squirrel. Oh, the traction's awesome. Very rarely get to ride this trail with it this wet. Woo. Still sandy in the sand corner. That corner has a good view. Mount Talac. You wanted to hang out. Woo. Yeah. Man, the kitty litter feels awesome today. Can't believe there aren't a bunch of people out here trying to get their Strava times. Woo! buzz section. You can test your suspension right there. Flat landing. Whew. Little bar bangers. Woo. Yeah. Super fun section, a little flowy. Don't clip your pedal. Woo. And then this one, go up and down. You can send that one as a drop too, but do a little drop right there on that one. But on a rainy day, there's roots at the bottom sometimes. It can be slippery. Up and over the rock. Then you're coming into the rock slab, and I like this line between the trees, off onto the rock slab, into the turn. Yep, that's pretty much connector. And from here we go through some berms, and we get ready to go down Corral. Woo-hoo. Man, I'm glad I got out today. Snowflower. Oh yeah, you can lean it over. So far on these berms today. Bunch of snowflowers. Woo! No Emmy today. The great Emmy dog is recovering from an exercise day yesterday. So yeah, and here we are back at the little mid station. Yeah, that was about the best I've ever seen it.
Yeah, that is as good as it gets.
Chatting about e-bikes. Woo! That's Travis Pastrana's friend's rock right there. He wrecked so hard on that one day. Not Travis, his friend. I wish it would have been Travis. Not really. Just might have a video that would go viral then. Travis Pastrana. OTV. Woo! Oh, the dirt's good today. Short turn. Whip it. Coming up here, you have a bunch of different lines to do. I'm gonna do the hardest one, which isn't that hard. It's off and off. Otherwise, you just roll down the rock garden. And you're gonna roll into another rock garden. Up here, after the up and over rock right here. Up and over. You can go right there, but why? Just do the little drop. Coming into our next little rock garden. Up and over that rock. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this move works. Woo. Little gap right here. Whip. Up and off the rock. Okay. And some nice little berm turns. To a little creek jump. There's a little jump right here. With rocks on the landing, and we're catching up to people. That's where Sidewinder comes out right there. Hey, bud. Woo. Little tree that fell down and across the creek. And this up here is where Intense Cedar comes in to Corral Trail, which you can ride dirt bikes on. Yeah, the dirt is definitely grippy today. Another snowflower. Remember, they're endangered though. They're everywhere. They're endangered. There's one. There's like 5, 10, whatever, however many there are. So many snowflowers.
Yeah.
There's another one. Another 2, 3. Another one on the berm. Another one right there. Another one right there. Somebody sent me a message online, and there's more, telling me that that's a sign for where morels might be. I've never seen them together, but yeah, no problem. Okay. The jump line. have this thing pointed backwards so we could actually see Anthony ride. Woo! Wow! These jumps are a little bit neat. None of them you really have to pull to get them to go. But hey, come out to a Tama Trail Day. Help us fix them. On the original Tama Trail Day, I helped build this section coming up. This was my jump right here. Woo! Wow! Woohoo! Howdy! And then this is the biggest one. Ooh, ooh. Probably wouldn't stop right there. It's like the fastest part of the trail. And they're in like a blind spot. Woo-wee. And that is the Corral jump line. These little humps here all used to be little jumps, but that was a few years ago. Well, hope you enjoyed Corral. Hello. Hi. Now we're back to the car. Really cool creek right here that on a hot day you could dip in. Dip, 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 dip. Alright, now the boring pedal back to the car.
Disc is almost full. The disc should not almost be full. Alright. Oh, we probably shouldn't have that on because YouTube will make this video, I don't know, they'll say something about the copyright. Anyway, yeah, the GoPro, you probably know I'm not sponsored by these guys because it died again, and it was just a mountain bike ride. You guys should really fix this. I mean, I'm pretty sure whoever owns GoPro probably drives a Tesla. Maybe you and Elon should get together and figure out why your damn batteries die so easily. So anyway, if you like the video, Just trying to show you around on some of my local trails. I don't always fly in the air. Sometimes I'm on the ground pedaling my butt off, trying to stay in shape. So if you like the video, thumbs it up. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright. And so it's working.